Hello everyone, my name is Mike. In this video, I'll explain the top 2 reasons why your smartphone battery drains so fast, especially at night. You go to sleep without using your phone, and when you wake up after 7-8 hours, the battery has dropped by 20% or even 30%. Let's fix that. First, open your main settings, then go to Mobile Network, select your carrier, and tap Preferred Network Type. If your phone is set to 5G, this could be one major reason. 5G networks are not always stable in many areas. When the signal is weak, your phone constantly tries to reconnect. This puts heavy pressure on the radio module inside your device, which leads to faster battery drain. If you don't really need ultra-fast internet speeds, switch to 4G, LTE. 4G is more stable, widely available, and usually provides better call quality. 5G mainly improves internet speed, nothing more. So if speed isn't your priority, using 4G can help save battery. Now the second major reason. Open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Network Preferences, and find Auto Update Apps. If this setting is turned on, your phone automatically updates apps in the background. Imagine having 50, 80, or even 100 apps installed. Many popular apps like YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Telegram receive updates multiple times a week. These updates often happen at night while you're asleep. That means your phone is actively downloading and installing updates instead of resting. The more apps you have, the more background updates happen, and the more battery drains overnight. Set Auto Update Apps to Don't Auto Update Apps. You can always update apps manually whenever you want. If you adjust these 2 settings, switching from 5G to 4G and disabling automatic app updates, you should notice a clear improvement in your battery life. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Stay smart, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next one.